Hello everyone. In my previous topic, I have discussed about the aggregate impact value. Today, I will discuss about the aggregate crushing value. It is based on IS code 2386 part 4 1963. Aggregate crushing value is defined as the measure of resistance of crushing under gradually applied compressive load. Now the operators required for this test are weighing balance, enamel tray, ISU 12.5 mm, 10 mm and 2.36 mm. Measuring cylinder whose dia is 11.5 cm and depth is 18 cm. This is gradually opened steel cylinder having dia is 15 cm and 14 cm in depth, and tamping rod whose dia is 16 mm and length is 45 to 60 cm. Now we start the practical. In this test, we mainly take the aggregate which is passing from 12.5 mm ISU and retained on 10 mm ISU. Before taking aggregate, we put aggregate in oven so that moisture of the aggregate is removed. Now I have already taken the aggregate. You can see this one. Now we start sieving. Now we take that aggregate which is retained on 10 mm ISU. Now fill this aggregate in measuring cylinder in 3 layers and each layer is tamping 25 times. Now we measure this aggregate. Now W1 comes around 2.486 kg. Now put this aggregate in this gradually open steel cylinder and start tamping it 25 times. This is a plunger. Now put this plunger in this cylinder. Now hold the assembly is put in aggregate pressing strength. Now put this one is the pressure testing machine and apply the load up to 40 tons. We know 1 ton equal to 10 kilonewton. We know 110 is equal to 10 kilonewton, so we apply 400 kilonewton load. Now we applied the load up to 400 kilonewton. One small division is equal to 10 kilonewton. Now we remove this one. Now we sieve the aggregate from 2.36 mm IS sieve. Now we weight the aggregate which is passing from 2.36 mm IS sieve. It comes around 174 grams. Now put these values in the given formula W2 upon W1 into 100, we get the crushing value of aggregate. By solving this one, we get the aggregate crushing value. We know that the aggregate crushing value for bearing course is 30% maximum, and for base course it is maximum 45%. Thank you.